In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop spam texts on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, open up your messages, and here let me show you how to stop spam texts from one exact person. For example, it will be, it will be that person. To block him, if it's bothering me, if it texts me too much, I can tap on the person's name, then select info, and here I can block this caller. Now this person is in my block list and I wouldn't get any messages, any phone calls, any notifications from that person. So what you need to do if you want to block all the spam texts on your phone? For that, go to your settings, and here let's find messages. There, scroll down, and in the message filtering you will find the option unknown and spam. Let's get into it. And here you need to enable filter unknown senders. If this option is enabled, you will get notifications just from persons from your contact list. All the other persons will be able to send you a message, but you wouldn't get a notifications. Let me show you how it looks like. Go to messages. Here we see that filter option is appeared. I will tap here, and here I need to select what messages I want to receive. I can choose all messages, I can choose just known senders, or I can select their unknown senders, and I can just select known senders to get messages just from my contact list. But if I want to see the messages from the unknown senders, I just go back, select unknown senders, and here I see just messages from the unknown senders. So in that situation, you wouldn't lose any of the messages that are sending to you, but selecting just known senders, all the other messengers will be not bothering you anymore. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.